Right. So what you need to do is you need to remove the entrepreneur hat and put on the technician's hat for 3 hours in a day. And that technician is nobody but the business development executive of yours who you are paying, just assume 50,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees. And that guy is working for you every 3 hours. He's making calls, and at the end of 3 hours, you are having an discussion with him. So, aaj kitne calls hue? How many leads did you generate? How many people you spoke with? धंधा किधर है? Business किधर है? मैं तुमको 50,000 दे रहा हूँ. I'm paying you 50,000, 1 lakh rupees every month. Where is the money? Where is the leads? So then you're playing the managerial role as well. Okay, so entrepreneur is out of the window. Manager is giving the task to the techie, the cold caller, the business development executive, spending 3 hours in a day diligently. Because right now, you need to have a consistent lead generation strategy. That is number one. Rest of the day, then you focus on building your legacy, building your products. Allocate 2-3 hours of whatever video making, course building, or whatever the long-term strategy that you have. So you need to have both money now and money in future strategy. Right? So money now strategy is the business development guy who is going to work with you. And business development guy, first day, first hour, business development guy will sit and just create the list of the people that